Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In this project we're going to be making this unique flower and the earring. So let's get into the video. We'll start by tying our knot. After tying your knot, go ahead and chain 1. Actually, in this video I made a chain of 2. I found out the first one I chained was very tight, so I ignored it and I chained another one. When you're doing your own, chain 1, then the second one, drag it, and into the first chain you made, insert your hook, yarn over, insert your hook the second time, yarn over, insert your hook the third time, then yarn over and pull through. We are forming a puff stitch. Then chain 1, then make 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and make a slip stitch at the beginning. That's the first chain that you made. Make a slip stitch, chain 4 again, 1 2 3 4, then make a slip stitch on top. Chain 1, then into the 4 chain, make 6 single crochets. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Into the next 4 chains that you made, make 6 single crochets, just like I'm doing in the video. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like and share, and drop a comment for me at the comment section. I would really appreciate. Now slip stitch on top of the first single crochet, chain 1. Now drag your hook a little bit and repeat the same thing. Yarn over, pull through into the first chain, yarn over, pull through the second time, yarn over, insert into the second, that first chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, that's the third one, then yarn over, pull through and chain 1. Then go ahead and repeat what we did in the first one. This is 3, this is 4. Now into that first chain, you slip stitch into it, then chain 4 again, 1 1 2 3 4, and make a slip stitch on top. Now in this particular puff stitch, because I would want it to be a little bit bigger than the first one I did, I'm going to make, instead of 6 single crochet, I'll make 8 single crochet on both sides. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ahead and repeat the same thing at the other side. Make 8 single crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. If you look at it very well, you notice that the one on top is bigger than the one below. So chain 1 and cut your yarn. So this is earring, so repeat the same thing for the second one, and we have the second earring done. So let's proceed in making this beautiful flower. First of all, tie your knot. Now if you want to make this flower and you want it to be big, that means you're going to make a very long chain. So the size of this flower is determined by how long your chain is. So in this, I do not want to make a very long chain, so I just made as short as this. That's why I had the size of flower that I have. So go ahead and make half double crochet. You're going to be making half double crochet in each of the stitches of this foundational chain. And making half double crochet is not really hard. You yarn over, insert your hook into one of the stitches, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all. It's not hard. So this is what we'll continue doing until we get to the end, which that is where we are. Chain 3. And turn your work. Now into the second chain, insert your hook, yarn over, you have 3 on your hook, pull through all, then make a kind of double crochet in the next. That's instead of pulling through 2, you pull through 1, then pull through 2 before you pull through all. Then at the middle space, make a half double crochet. Make the same kind of double crochet into the next. Look at the video closely, you see what I'm doing, and this is what you will continue all through this particular hook. I'm going to make more of it so that you will understand what I did. It's not hard. Instead of in your double crochet, instead of when you yarn over and pull through, when you yarn over and insert your hook, you have 3 in your hook. Instead of yarning over and pulling through 2, you yarn over and pull through 1 the first time, then yarn over and pull through 2, then yarn over and pull through all. So this is what we have, and we've gotten to the end of this. Look at the last one. Just do the last one, and I'll show you what needs to do. Chain 1 and turn. Into the first stitch, make a single crochet and chain 1. The same stitch, make a half double crochet and chain 1. In the same stitch, make a double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then make a picot into the same space, make a double crochet, in the same space, make a half double crochet. Now the nearest stitch close by, make a single crochet. Make a single crochet into the next, then slip stitch into the next. chain 1, single crochet and chain 1, half double crochet in the same stitch and chain 1, make a double crochet and chain 3, make a picot, make a double crochet into the same stitch, make a half double crochet, make a single crochet into the nearest stitch, single crochet in the next, single crochet in the next, then slip stitch in the next. Now this particular pattern is what we're going to do all through this row, and I'll see you at the end. We have gotten to the end of this row, so the next thing for us to do now is to cut off some of these excesses so that we will not be confused along the line, so that our work will be neat. So go ahead and cut off some. Okay, now see what we have. Roll this into a flower form just like I'm doing in the video. Now this excesses, dip it inside and bring it out from the down part of the flower. Then find your needle and thread it and sew this up. Make sure it's tight, then cut off your yarn, sew in the excesses. That's what we have.